Hello everyone, myself Sumalata under the guidance of Devi Shweta Ramana. I am going to present seminar on social media analytics. Let us start with some content of the social media analytics. Introduction, objectives, social media analytics tools, futures of a social media analytics tools need, how to track social media analytic tools, methodology, benefits to the organization, conclusion. Introduction. Nowadays, social media analytics is very useful for the business. It is not an easy task. The job of the social media analytics tools is to take this content useful and effective for the business. Social media analytics is the process of gathering and analyzing data from social networks such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It is commonly used by marketers to track online conversation about product and companies. Social media data is being analyzed in many different disciplines. While there is a great deal of literature on the challenges and difficulties involving specific data analysis method, there hardly exists research on the stages of data discovery, collection, and preparation. Here, the figure shows how social media analytic framework works. Researchers have developed frameworks that create a common basis for conducting social media analytics. Research framework for understanding the relationship among the society, business, and social media. This framework consists of four types of social media related activities and three levels of analysis. Research may focus on these activities. Social media consisting of three steps: capture, understand, pertinent. Capture consists of gathering the data and pre-processing it, whereas pertinent information is extracted from the data and applying key technique for to understanding the data. The framework was originally developed in the context of political communication. It can easily adapted for other research domains. The goals and analysis method might be different, but the process is essentially the same. The research still need to take the same decision regarding the data source, approach, software architecture, and data storage. This result in the following four steps framework: discovery, tracking, preparation, analysis. Discovery: the uncovering of a latent structure and patterns. Tracking: this step involves decision on the data source, approach, method, and output. Preparation. Behind this, the original framework does not elaborate on the preparation step necessary. Analysis. Depending on the purpose, there are several methods available, including a social network analysis and opinion mining. Objectives: small business. It engage local followers and grow a greater community presence. Startup. Build a awareness of a new product and generate leads for it. Enterprise company. Provide a timely customer service channel to boost customer. Heighten brand awareness. Creating a brand awareness, suretiness, sales process, increase market share and position brand as a leader in its sector. Increase size of social communities and accurately target audience. For example, community performance, community progression, share of community voices, social visits. Strength enhancement strategy to increase customer loyalty. It creates a long relationship between the target, our audience, and the brands. Monitor customer feedback. In order to improve customer experience, it's necessary to capture consumer opinion regarding the products. Social media analytic tools. Facebook Insight. Facebook Insight shows the full status behind your post, your fans, and your reach. Additionally, from the Insight tab, can set up a list of pages to watch, which gives information on the performance of other Facebook pages. Instagram Insight. If you have an Instagram business profile, you will have access to Instagram Insight, Instagram native in app analytics. It offers a comprehensive range of data about your profile, post, stories, and ads. It also has a detailed information about your followers, such as their most active times and days. Twitter Insight. Twitter provides a 28-day summary of your profile and show you how it has performed in terms of profile visit, follower growth. Pinterest Analytics. One of the best sources for Pinterest Analytics resides on Pinterest itself. It available only for the business. The dashboard shows growth in impression and followers, audience status, and website enhancement. LinkedIn Analytics. This is for a page belonging to your company or organization, and also you can track enhancement with your updates as well as see various metrics about your followers and visitors. YouTube Analytics. YouTube Analytics is a comprehensive system for tracking the performance of videos and channels. It reports on a metrics including estimate traffic source, watch time, views earning, AD performance, audience retention, and subscribes. Futures of a social media analytic tools needs real-time alerts, Talk Worker alerts. Even better than Google Alerts is a quick, easy, and free way to monitor for potential crises, brand mentions, competitor, and industry news. Image recognition 80% if image shared online. Do not name visible brand in the accompanying content. Image recognition finding the brand boosting, brand damaging, recognize your logo so you can protect your trademark against misuse. Video analytics. We can now find your logo in video. 80% of all online traffic will be made up of video. Virality map. A virality map will show how a post or story has traveled online. Its start point with all the pit stops on the way. Social media, blogs, news sites, broadcast, etc. Automated reporting. It is all very well tracking and analyzing social data, but we have to able to share the result with entire team. How to tracking social media analytic tools. As is social media analytics. We use Facebook as an example of how to view the data that each social media platforms offers. By using the Facebook, it is show the detailed program that help you learn about your audience behavior. It includes action on page, page views, page likes, reach, post enhancement, page followers. Discover information about your followers. Choose page followers to see the information about feedback followers. Information about how many followers you have. Total followers shows total page followers on any specific data. Net followers calculate the number of pages likes minus the number of unlikes to show the overall audience growth. Set goals to know what social media metrics to measure. For example, if your purpose is to improve brand awareness, you might set a goal of 500 likes or 100 shares. To reach that goal, you will track metrics such as likes, shares, net followers. Use tools to help analyze and measure your social data. There are software programs and apps that allow you to manage all your social media accounts in one place to improve the effectiveness and result of your social media efforts. For example, Sprout Social and Hootsuite are two apps that allow you to schedule post ahead of time and track result across a number of social media platforms. Advance your knowledge with outside research. When you are ready to get serious about improving your profile and ROI, you might want to take a course or class. Methodology. Identify. The first stage is to identify the tweets about each Super Bowl AD by determining associated keyword. Identifying the relevant keyword to use in collecting social media data. It includes a 4 keywords: AD specific keyword, AD generic keyword, brand keyword, and event keyword. Capture: it involves a 2 stages: download, pre-processing. Understand: understand involves 2 stages: extracting of a relevant measures for each Super Bowl AD and data analysis. First, we discuss the extraction of a relevant measures. These measures consist of both aid likability, characteristic, and social media measures. Data analysis. Data analysis is the process of cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information for business decision making. Sentiment extraction. Sentiment analysis is the field of study that analyzes people, opinion, sentiment, evaluation, attitudes, and emotions from the written language. Benefits to the organization. Find the best influencer for brand. Identifying influencers for your brand. It is not how many followers they have, it is how much share and comments their content earns. Identify quality influencers for your brand, product, or event. Influencers that have the power to influence an entire community to trust your brand. Benchmark against your competitors. Create a reports in multiple format to share actionably insight across teams. Find strength, weakness, and opportunity instantly. Identifying trending topics. It is one or more social platforms for limited duration time. Overall company status. Company status see the information about its current state, created and detected unexpected problem with your company. Improve customer relations. You can help a customer resign whom you are trust. Conclusion: social media analytics provides customer clarity about information related to generate and awareness of the product and services, as well as it provide a genuine product revise rating and feedback. By using this, people was communicate share to their friends and family about selfies update event etc. Thank you.